أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. A wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings. This is the Hippocratic Oath. Socrates once said, there is only one good knowledge and there is only one evil, and that is ignorance. This statement guides us in action, especially where health is concerned. Many people do not have the slightest idea of how to maintain good health. If or when illness strikes, people simply rely on a doctor to provide a cure. However, what we may fail to realize is the cure may sometimes come from within. The natural world has provided us wondrous immune systems, and all we have to do is take proper care of this inner healing force. Some people may say this sounds too simple. However, it is simple, and modern lifestyles have gotten us off the right track. And it may be implicit of the types of foods that people eat, the types of beverages we consume, the type of dependencies people may have due to drugs or alcohol. It may be a contributing factor from polluted environmental systems, and it may be a result of different types of high-tech stresses. Nature intends to fuel our inner healing force with the right natural substances to enable the body, mind, and heart to function up to its fullest potential. Resources such as whole foods, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, phytochemicals, and other natural bounties and blessings are designed to use our immune system as God intended. Because most of us have a profound lack of knowledge in this area, what our bodies need to function properly, we find ourselves out of balance, out of homeostatis, out of the right level of care and compassion for ourselves and others, and then it opens the floodgates to all types of modern day ailments. People should and must take an active role in the maintenance of their health, the prevention of disease, and the treatment of an ailment that can be conquered with the guidance of healthcare professionals and advanced medical doctors. The more we take it upon ourselves to learn about the role of homeopathic medicine, Chinese medicine, nutrition, different types of modern advances in the understanding of self-care and prevention of disease, the better prepared we will be to take an active role. A good choice in lifestyle coupled with coaching, medical advice, and your own studies offer the best chance of living our life to the fullest potential. Attitude is an important factor in the process of health, maintenance, and healing. Gratitude and compassion and caring for one another is the greatest factor in the process of health, maintenance, and healing. We must have a positive state of mind in order to bring harmony to the body. The realization that body is equivalent to lifestyle, spirit is equivalent to desire, and the mind is equivalent to belief must be merged into one understanding within this book. And this is how we approach the understanding of building the road to optimal health, to being our best self every day. In this tome of knowledge is the culmination of more than 8 to 10 decades worth of research and understanding what this science possesses and provides to healthcare providers, to high performance athletes, and to every single person willing to read and understand what is possible and what you can do to pave the path to the best optimal health. This can be used in conjunction with current medical treatments. These books are written by doctors, and they are pulled from sports medicine type research that is open to understand and to read. A number of suggestions offered, such as intravenous therapy, can be administered only under the supervision of a licensed physician because our chemistries are different, our genetics are different. Some of us may have allergic reactions to certain types of nutritional entities. Before taking any nutritional supplement, take a conversation with a healthcare provider, a professional, and the doctor regarding its level of appropriateness for you and especially for your children. Always check the side effects and always listen to your body and be willing to ask the right steps as you would for your own child and pediatrician. If you experience an allergic reaction, especially if it's related to abnormal bowel functions, including but not exclusive to diarrhea, or if there are any supplements you may discontinue the use based on your physician's suggestions. You should never attempt to treat yourself without professional advice because we do not know it all, and coordinated health results are amazingly better than acting independently without some level of understanding and coordination. No statement in this publication should be construed as a claim for a cure, treatment, or the prevention of a disease. These are simply legalese. It is based in research and open to criticism, is what they're saying. Learn about your condition. Never be afraid to ask good questions. Never be afraid to ask good questions about your health and to see a licensed physician or caretaker or coach. Feel free to get second, third opinions from qualified health professionals. It is a sign of wisdom, not cowardice, to seek more knowledge and to be active in managing health and your own wellness and optimal health path as a patient, as an athlete, and as a person who cares for yourself and loved ones. Every effort is being made to include the latest research available on nutritional healing. Again, I'll say that again. Every effort has been made to include the latest research on available nutritional healing. It does not mean that it's not open to criticism or new discoveries in areas of health and healing. We also have added different categories of ailments in this text. All the information in this book has been carefully researched, and the data has been reviewed and updated throughout the production of this knowledge. Because the body of knowledge promises to continue growing and changing, they state here that if a question arises or arrives, refer to a health and or medical organization, and they put an appendix here for all the up-to-date information on who to speak to about different types of treatment and prevention, or ask healthcare providers. In this text, they provide scientific information, treatments, and supplement recommendations for things that are researched and documented as having worked for different body types. Nearly 900 years ago, the physician stated, a doctor stated, the physician should not treat the ailment, but the patient who is suffering from it. The physician should not necessarily treat just the ailment, but the patient who is suffering from it. This book was designed to meet the differing needs of individuals and to help each person create their own program of conquering any perceived or real ailment. How to use this text. It's comprehensive, in-home guide will provide and maintain the highest level of health and fitness through careful dietary planning and nutritional supplementations, careful planning of food, of exercise, of socializing that will help to strengthen our resolve against any type of ailment. Even if you're healthy, you'll benefit from this book because it gives advice on how to achieve and maintain that key word, optimal health. How to build up your immune system so that if or when a bug does arrive, you recover quickly, inshallah, and increase your energy levels and increase your ability to relax. Written by certified nutritionists, and doctors, this book blends the latest scientific research with traditional treatments. It provides information you need to design your own personal nutritional program. In addition, the author offers traditional and up-to-date home remedies and suggests helpful modifications in lifestyle and food choices. It's important to stress that suggestions offered in this book are not intended to replace appropriate medical investigations and treatments. The supplements and medications recommended for particular disorders should be approved and monitored by your medical doctor and/or trained health professionals. If a surgery and/or other conventional medical interventions become necessary and cannot be avoided, then you will find that many of these nutritional supplements can shorten the healing time, and many of the lifestyle choices can enhance life that prevents these types of surgeries being necessary based on different organ system malfunctions. This book is divided into different sections. The first one discusses principles of nutrition and health. It lists and explains various types of nutrients, food supplements, enzymes, antioxidants, and herbs found in healthy food and found in different places where they can be purchased. The next section is divided into common disorders, which include acne and can range all the way to cancer or yeast infections. And they're arranged simply in alphabetical order. Each section discusses how to identify the symptoms, and suggests ways to correct or treat a specific ailment through guidelines that provide key ingredients that the body may need to continue taking in order to survive the world that we live in. Also discussing the next section, part 3, are a number of alternative therapy approaches such as acupuncture, acupressure, aromatherapy, Ayurvedic medicine, Chinese medicine, chiropractic adjustments, color therapy, fasting, glandular therapy, homeopathy, hydrotherapy, hyperbaric oxygen therapy, light therapy, magnet therapy, massage therapy, music and sound therapy. In addition, there are insets throughout this book that provide in-depth coverage of important topics. The ramifications of different drug therapies are discussed, and latest medical updates are provided. Also included in an appendix is information on how to find some of the products recommended, and these are simply to give an idea of what works. In a nod to current technology, there are plenty of references that are available through your own research online. A healthy lifestyle choice, nutritional diet is the backbone of a nutritional program and exercise program. We believe that most, if not all, people should supplement their diets with proper nutrients to achieve wellness. Nutrition deficiencies such as scurvy are rare, but this is to understand that they did cure certain ailments and they cease to exist because of intelligence in this area and hard work and coordination throughout historical medical research. Nutritional deficiency diseases such as scurvy are rare, but these are the only ones that are indicative of the tip of the iceberg when it comes to problems of nutrition that are well known. There are untold amounts of ailments that arise simply because of excess or deficiency in nutritional choices, or a lack of understanding how to manage these nutritional imbalances. So nutritional deficiencies can cause a variety of symptoms in addition to weakening the body's defenses. Moreover, nutritional requirements can be influenced by so many factors that people may or may not be aware of. People who choose or are addicted to alcohol, cigarette smoking, and other types of recreational or prescription drugs, or dieters may find that their exposure to ailments increases, and that is due to the body's toll that is leveled due to these lifestyle addictions. And it is as true for adolescents as it is for elderly people, pregnant women, and nursing women. It is increased multitude for these areas. There are people with certain genetic disorders or who have certain poor eating habits that may find this to be true as well. Someone with diabetes or other chronic ailments may find that they are also at greater risk for more ailments that are not at the root cause from the ailment that they suffer from. It is because of the macro root cause, which is many times alcohol, cigarette smoking, recreational drugs, poor lifestyle choices, or other factors that are not immediately within their control and that take time to heal from. The supplementation programs recommended in this book should be followed for 3 to 12 months so that the body system accepts the change over time. Depending on your individual needs and recommendations of your health care provider, begin by taking nutrients classified as essential, very important for each relevant disorder. Many times the nutrients recommended for a particular disorder can be found in a single product. Before you start taking them on a regular basis, test the supplements one at a time to find out if you do have a reaction to them. If you do not, then you may continue for 30 days and see how it responds to your body or how your body responds to it. Each person is unique. That means each body system is a conglomeration of organ systems, genetics, physiology, and anatomy that is specifically unique to that person and therefore respond to what your body tells you. You may suffer from malabsorption of certain types of supplements, or you may absorb it at a higher rate than others. Always take supplements with a full glass of water. Nutritional supplements are concentrated and can, in certain cases, overburden certain organ systems if there's not enough liquid that's consumed with the supplements. Water enhances absorption in cellular systems and is needed to aid in carrying the nutrients to each cell. If you follow a nutritional supplement program for longer than a year, change the brands and even the dosages and even take vacations from them so that you do not develop an intolerance or build up resistance to one or more of the ingredients within these supplement systems. That means create variety because it is a requirement to stay alive and to perform at our optimal level. You can become a stronger person, a healthier person when you learn to listen to your body. Given time, you will notice changes in body systems, in mood systems, and be able to identify causes. Or in some cases, they say the root cause. After the supplementation period for a certain disorder is completed, decrease supplement dosages gradually so that your body has a chance to adjust. Keep in mind, though, that virtually all of us need to supplement our diets with basic nutrients for optimal wellness and illness prevention. Again, keep in mind, though, that virtually every single person, and even animals, need to supplement their day-to-day diets with basic nutrients that are simply lost in current world terms because we should strive to reach optimal wellness and prevent illness and to prevent public disease outbreaks as well. Simply stated, if you care about yourself and your loved ones, please read through this literature. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين فاستغفروا يا فوز المستغفرين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.